So this video is about how to use your audiences in Facebook to get more traction. So you need to be using our lifecycle system for a little while in order to create enough data to fill up your audiences. Facebook won't let you put one person in an audience in lifecycle and find that person in Facebook, because there'd be a GDPR issue. You'd know who the person was in Facebook, so Facebook would be breaking the rules. They have to keep all that stuff secret. So you've got to have a decent amount of people in an audience in order for Facebook to say, okay, yeah, you can run ads to these people without us revealing who they are. The good thing is that they can only be people that are in your audience in lifecycle. So if you've got 200 people in lifecycle that have had a market appraisal from you and they haven't yet decided which estate agent they're going to go to, if lifecycle then integrates with Facebook and it tries to find those people, if it runs ads to those people, it can only be some of those 200 people. The way in which you can use those audiences is that if you break them down into different statuses, or you break them down by different data that you know on people, when you go into your Facebook Ads Manager, you can actually see those audiences. And because you can see those audiences, you can create ads that appeal specifically to those kind of people. So people that have instructed another estate agent, you can see the audience in Facebook Ads Manager, and you can create an ad that says what to do if you're unhappy with your estate agent, or what to do if you think you've chosen the wrong estate agent. And you send it to those people, and only those people will see that ad. Other people that are maybe at the stage of, I'm not thinking about selling my property for another 6 months, you could run a different ad to those people saying, if you're not thinking about selling your property for another 6 months, here's some of the things that you might want to do in the meantime. And only those people will be seeing that ad. So because Lifecycle links directly into Facebook and puts your dynamic audiences into your ads manager, you can create very specific targeted ads that cut through all the noise and leave people feeling like you are the ultimate expert for their particular problem.